Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to accept money on Revolut. So to accept money on Revolut, you have to follow these simple steps. So basically what you can do is there are different ways of accepting payments or money. So first thing, I'm gonna show you how you can actually do it. First of all, log in, and when you're logged into your account, right on this page, click on the add money button right on top. Next, you need to go ahead and select one of your existing contact, and then you could go ahead and click on the request button. When you actually press the request button, you need to go ahead and enter the exact amount that you want to request. You could also go ahead and add a note and then confirm this. Now with this, you should be able to add money to your account. However, the second procedure is do the same thing. Go ahead and press the transfer button, select the contact, and then you could go ahead and click on the create a payment link located right at the bottom. When you actually do that, click on request money, and then you could go ahead and share the link to the following person, and he or she should be able to send you a money through the link. These were some of the ways to add money to your Revolut account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.